Lab Manual. Activity 1. To find out the number of pet animals living in a neighborhood. Materials required: a notebook, a pen, a scale, a ribbon long enough. Procedure 1. Make a team of 4 children. You can contact your neighborhood friends to do so. 2. Start from these house immediately to the left of your own house. Inquire about the number of pets, their means and their food hazard from your neighbor. 3. In the same way, go to 8 honest. 4. Now make a table as follows. Conclusion: this shows that people keep pets and take due care of them. Activity 2. To learn the chief things supplies by fruits, vegetables and cereals. Material required: 1 apple, 1 orange, 20 grains or wheat, 20 grains of rice, 2 leaves or spinach, 20 grains of lentil, dal and 1 cup of sugarcane juice. Procedure 1. Show them to your teacher and ask her what they give to you as a chief product. 2. Now complete this table. Serial number, item, category, chief thing we get from it, next thing we get from it. 1 orange, fruit, vitamin C, sugar. 2 apple, 3 wheat, 4 rice, 5 spinach, 6 lentil, 7 sugarcane. Conclusion: this shows that different types of food item give us different type of nutrient. Activity 3. To prove that liquid food can be preserved by boiling it. Materials required: 2 cups full of milk, 1 burner in lab, 1 pan, 1 towel, 2 small plates, 1 stand. Procedure 1. Pour 1 cup of milk in the pan. 2. Put the pan on the stand. The burner is below the stand. 3. Let the lab assistant light up the burner. You keep away from it. 4. The lab assistant will boil the milk for you and pour it back into the cup. 5. Keep the other cup as it is. Do not boil its milk small plates. 6. Come back to the lab after 2 days. 7. Which cup's milk rained sour? Conclusion: we conclude that the liquid food, milk in this case, can survive for a long period in comparison to the liquid food, milk in this case. Activity 4. To prove that smooth surfaces after less friction to moving bodies. Material required: 1 long glass piece, leaving on lab table, 2 wooden blocks, some water. Procedure 1. Put the glass piece on the lab dish. The lab assistants would do it for you. 2. Put first block on glass piece. Try to push it. 3. It will move ahead but you have exert some effort to do so. 4. Now pour water on the glass surface, water on the entire surface. 5. Take the second wooden block and put it on the wet surfaces of glass. Push it gently. What do you observe? 6. The block moves gradually on the surface that has been made smooth by water. The first block was moving due to move effort put in NEU. In the second case, friction of surfaces. Conclusion: smooth surfaces offer less friction of moving bodies.